Hi, it's Nick from Yacht at Boot 2026 in Dusseldorf. We've launched a ton of new products, but really exciting new product is our new top specification AIS transponder. It's called the AIT6000 and it will replace our existing very popular AIT5000. Whilst physically it looks really similar, it's got lots of new features and functions built into it. Firstly, it's a Class B Plus product. That means it uses the latest 5-watt SOTDMA technology and guarantees you a slot in the AIS system. It's also got lots of interfacing features. So it has Wi-Fi, it has integrated NMEA 0183, NMEA 2000, and it also has a built-in splitter so that you can share the main VHF antenna with both your VHF and with the AIS. So super simple to install. It means that all you've got to fit is a simple GPS antenna. Lots of people ask questions, why do I need a separate GPS antenna with my AIS? I've already got GPS on board. The reason is that the AIS does a lot of error checking, checks the position, and it needs a special RAIM-enabled GPS in order to do that. And that's why it's included with the product. So what other features have we built in over and above the AIT5000? Well, firstly, it's what we call SPAIS enabled. SPAIS is Space AIS or Satellite AIS, and the AIT6000 sends extra messaging over the AIS frequencies which are able to be picked up by a range of low Earth orbiting satellites that are now being deployed around the world. That means that stations such as Marine Traffic, AIS Live and so on can pick up your transmissions even from the middle of the ocean, which gives you global tracking capability through AIS, a unique feature of the AIT6000. Perhaps most importantly, we've added NMEA 2000 to Wi-Fi integration. So you can take NMEA 2000 data, that's things like speed, depth, wind, compass information, and it gets aggregated inside the AIT6000 together with AIS and GPS and all sent out over the Wi-Fi. And that means popular apps like TimeZero, Aquamaps, Navionics and so on can not only use AIS and GPS data, but also all the other NMEA 2000 data. So that's all built in as standard on the transponder. Secondly, there's alarms built into the unit, which you can access through the web interface for closest point of approach and time to closest point of approach. That's super useful. It means that you're not reliant on leaving your NMEA 2000 network and your multifunction display on. Alarms will come out of here if those closest point of approach and time to closest point of approach alarms are breached. And there's an extra 2 wires in the cable to drive a buzzer, relay, disable an autopilot, all sorts of different things that you could do with that. So much more integration, amazing AIS performance, and all in a really compact unit with splitter built in. That's the AIT6000.